so we're going to take a walk later. Isn't he cute, Maddie? He's cute, isn't he?
He
His
loves.
name's Leo.
No,
Put him down on the ground.
he loves to
Let's
be
see what he
held.
does.
He didn't like it in there, did
No,
he?
he did not.
Come here. Oh my gosh. His name's Leo, Mom.
Well,
No, text this to the Christine, Mom. Tell her.
hey, sit down. Sit down.
She's not gonna be a turn.
Well, she will. I'll wait.
She's gonna